we will discuss about canine distemper, the important one disease of canines. We will talk about synonyms: Caries disease, hard pad disease, distemper exanthema, and old dog encephalitis. If we talk about definition of CD, it is highly contagious, multisystemic viral disease of dogs and other wild carnivores, which is characterized by biphasic fever, leukopenia, gastrointestinal and respiratory alteration, frequently pneumonia, and neurologic complications. Etiology: canine distemper virus, which is closely related to the measles, rinderpest virus, and PPR virus. Genus Morbillivirus and family Paramyxoviridae. It is non-segmented negative strand RNA virus. Susceptibility and transmission. If we talk about susceptibility, then 3 to 6 month old pups, they are more susceptible. And transmission, direct animal to animal contact is there, and exposure to infectious aerosol is there. If we talk about the pathogenesis of this virus, the inhalation of infective aerosols in dog, through which replication of virus occurs in lymph tissues of respiratory tract, then viremia occurs, then generalized infection of all lymphoid tissues in body, second viremia, and then infection of parenchymal and tissue cells within body. The important ones are forms of this virus: respiratory form, GIT form, cutaneous form, and nervous form. In respiratory form is characterized by serous to mucopurulent rhinitis, interstitial pneumonia, and suppurative bronchopneumonia. The GIT form is characterized by catarrhal enteritis. Cutaneous form is characterized by pustular dermatitis. As we discussed earlier, it is also known as distemper exanthema. So, in cutaneous form, the pustular dermatitis occurs in thighs, ventral abdomen, and inner surface of ear pinna, which is convex surface. It is also known as hard pad disease because there is hyperkeratosis of foot pads and nasal planum. Fourth is nervous form. Nervous form in old dog encephalitis or the post-vaccinal, means after vaccination, begin 1 to 3 weeks after recovery from systemic illness. Other manifestations include oculonasal discharge, which may be serous to mucopurulent, and enamel hypoplasia. Yes, we talk about signs, then biphasic fever, bilateral serous to mucopurulent oculonasal discharge with coughing and dyspnea, vesicular and pustular dermatitis in puppies, nasal and digital hyperkeratosis, GI signs, catarrhal enteritis and diarrhea, neurologic signs, diverse and progressive, which is characterized by chorea, also known as myoclonus, nystagmus, ataxia, tetraparesis or tetraplegia. Means 4 legs are not working in this condition. In old dog encephalitis, ataxia and hand pressing may be seen. The diagnosis of this virus is done by virus isolation. We can isolate the virus in live animal through conjunctival swab, buffy coat, and spleen and lung through dead. Immunofluorescence test, ELISA or VNT, and RT-PCR or real-time PCR. The next aspect is treatment. Broad spectrum antibiotics, which may be ampicillin, doxycycline, and chloramphenicol with dose rate as mentioned. Ampicillin with 20 mg per kg, doxycycline 5 to 10 mg per kg, chloramphenicol 40 to 50 mg per kg. Bronchodilators, theophylline 10 to 20 mg per kg orally 2 times a day, aminophylline 11 mg per kg orally or IV 3 times a day. Anticonvulsive, as chorea means shaking of the body or nervous signs occur, then we can use diazepam with dose rate of 0.3 to 1 mg per kg IV or 1 to 2 mg per kg per rectal. Phenobarbital 2.5 mg per kg orally, IM, IV 2 times or 3 times a day. We can use anti-inflammatory drugs like dexamethasone with 1 to 2 mg per kg IV for CNS edema, and prednisone 0.5 to 1 mg per kg per day orally for 2 weeks with tapering dose. It means the dose is reducing day by day. Antiviral ribavirin can be used. For prevention, live attenuated vaccine, core vaccination. We know DHPPIL. It also includes D means distemper virus vaccine, 6 to 8 weeks of age, and then again after 2 to 4 weeks. This vaccination starts immunity 1 to 2 weeks and duration will remain 1 to 3 years of the age. And after the booster, annual vaccination is performed.